Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a default media player on Windows 11. And to do this we'll need to click on our start, then click on the gear icon. This should open the settings. Now navigate to the apps and here's default apps. And for example we'll be changing file C as my default media player, and here we need to enter a file type or link. Here let's look for file LC, and now you can change file LC as a default media player for each of the files that end with it. And this is a long list, and most frequently you'll be using MP3 or MP3, MP4. So locate them. So here's MP4 and we want to change it to file C, just like that. The same as with MP3. Or actually it's missing, oh no, it's right here, sorry. So set it as a default as well, and now by default we'll be opening any MP3 and MP4 files using file LC media player. And yep, you'll need to do this manually with each of the files. So yeah, and that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.